in the air, CQ Park's in the air. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, call CQ Park's in the air and standing by.
Good evening and welcome to another episode of Punk Rock Ham Radio, where punk rock and ham radio collide.
November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, Zero Z.
Kilo Mike 6, Tango, Whiskey, India.
Kilo Mike 6 station.
Kilo Mike 6, Tango, Whiskey, India, park to park. What's up, Gray Man POTA? Doing good. Just got set up. Thanks for waiting up for me.
Oh, hey, not a problem. But I tell you what, man, I didn't come prepared for this cold weather. It's like 60 degrees out.
Oh, it's warmer over here, man. It's about 10 degrees warmer. It's going to be like in the high 50s tonight, I think, over.
Oh, that's not too bad. Yeah, I think it's either in the high 50s right now, but it cooled off pretty quickly once the sun went down.
That was 70 degrees out there by Lake Michigan, clear blue sky. This is be my second POTA activation of the day. Having a great time spending time out here.
Well, that's a good time. I was up that way. My son was at a tournament up there by Chicago, and I took off and went to the games and a couple other places and did some activations.
Awesome, man. Yeah, I could see Chicago across the lake, man. It was cool.
Yeah, that is kind of weird being able to see the skyline across the water. Hey, what's your park number?
Good question. I don't have my park numbers handy. I'm at two parks, Indiana Dunes State Park and Indiana Dunes National Park. I should get my cheat sheet next to me. Sorry about that. Yeah, roger. I just got my little note card with the park numbers. It's US 0765, 0765, and Indiana Dunes State Park, US 2258, 2258, roger.
I copied the 0765 and 2258. You're 59, sound great down here.
Copy the 59, and what's your park number?
I got two park numbers, 10254, 10254, and 4215, 4215.
Is that 10254?
Correct. And the second park number is 4215, QSL.
Okay, QSL 4215. Cool, thanks for the park to park in Indiana, man. Thanks for helping me out.
Oh, hey, not a problem. I tell you what, I have done, I've had, I'm going to say 10 to 15 Indiana stations for the last tonight.
Nice, man. Yeah, I just haven't gotten any park to parks with Indiana. I'm using the same 40-meter dipole from those videos. It's set up kind of janky here right now. I had to put the tuner on it. I'm in a campsite. I should probably keep my voice down. There's a bunch of campers around me, but yeah, great to get you in the log, man.
Sounds good, my friend. Hey, I'm going to go ahead and jump on out of here. I'm going to try to make a couple quick contacts. There's that one guy, the one YouTuber from Alaska that's on right now on 20 meters. I'm going to see if I can reach out and make a contact with him.
Awesome, man. Have fun hunting Alaska, November 9, Whiskey Foxtrot from Kilo Mike 6, Tango Whiskey, India. Thank you so much. Have a great night, 7-3.
All right, sounds good, Alan. You have a great evening, 7-3, my friend. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, going QRT.
Awesome. Park to park with Indiana. November 9, Whiskey Foxtrot, Gray Man POTA. Thanks, buddy. Okay. Is this frequency in use? Kilo Mike 6, Tango Whiskey, India. Is this frequency in use? Kilo Mike 6, Tango Whiskey, India. Nothing heard. This is Kilo Mike 6 Tango Whiskey India calling POTA from Indiana Dunes National Park and Indiana Dunes State Park. Kilo Mike 6 Tango Whiskey India. Parks on the air, QRZ. POTA. This is Kilo Mike 6 Tango Whiskey India calling CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air. 2 parks in Indiana Dunes. Listening. Kilo 4 Radio Delta Tango.
Kilo November 4 Radio Delta Golf.
Oh. Thanks for the correction. November 4 Radio Delta Golf got you 5-7 into the park. Over.
Roger, you are 5-7 in Georgia.
5-7 both ways. Thanks for hunting. And 7-3. This is Kilo Mike 6 Tango Whiskey India. Parks on the air. QRZ. Alpha Foxtrot 5, Victor Juliet, got you 5-9 into the park. Over.
Well, thank you very much, and I have you about 5-7 into Oklahoma.
Copy the 5-7 in Oklahoma. Thanks for hunting. And 7-3. CQ Parks on the air. CQ Parks on the air. This is Kilo Mike 6 Tango Whiskey India calling CQ Parks on the air. Whiskey 8 Zulu Delta Echo. Good strong signal. 5x9. Over.
Echo 59, also 59 in Michigan from Whiskey 8 Japan, Denmark, England. Thank you very much.
The 5-9 in Michigan was a Whiskey 8 Zulu Delta Echo. Did I get that right? QSL. Thanks for hunting. 7-3. Kilo Mike 6 Tango Whiskey India. Parks on the air. QRZ. Bravo Romeo.
Kilo Juliet 2 Lima Bravo Romeo.
Kilo Juliet 2 Lima Bravo Romeo.
Roger, Roger. I've got you 5-9 into Western New York.
Copy the 5-9 in Western New York. You are 5x9 Indiana Dunes. Thanks for hunting. 7-3.
7-3.
Parks on the air. QRZ.
Charlie Alpha Echo.
Charlie Alpha Echo.
Kilo 4 Charlie Alpha Echo. All in your 5-9 South Carolina.
Alpha Echo. Kilo 4 Charlie Alpha Echo. Thanks for hunting. You're 5x9. 7-3.
7-3, Alan.
Parks on the air. QRZ.
November 8 Tango Sierra Uniform.
Tango Sierra Uniform. Okay, November 8 Tango Sierra Uniform.
Hi, QSL 5-9 Astro Hotel.
5-9 in Indiana Dunes. Both ways. Thanks for hunting. 7-3. Parks on the air. QRZ. Whiskey 0 Delta.
Whiskey 0 Delta Hotel Papa.
Copy. Whiskey 0 Delta Hotel Papa. You're 5-9 into the park. Indiana Dunes. Roger.
QSL, you're about +10 in southeast Minnesota, Mike November.
Got the 5-10 in Minnesota. Thanks for hunting. 7-3. Kilo Mike 6 Tango Whiskey India. Parks on the air.
Kilo Foxtrot 8 Alpha Papa Alpha.
Kilo Foxtrot 8 Alpha something Alpha.
QSL Alpha Papa Alpha. America, Portugal, America. Over.
Roger. Kilo Foxtrot 8 Alpha Papa Alpha. You're 5-9.
QSL, you're 5-9 into Canton, Ohio, Oscar Hotel.
Got the 5-9 in Oscar Hotel. Thanks for hunting. 7-3. Parks on the air. QRZ. I heard a Kilo Bravo 4. Kilo Delta 2. Kilo Delta 2 Echo November Echo. Bravo. Come back with the suffix, the last 3 letters one more time. KD2 Bravo Echo November. Cool, got you in the log. Kilo Delta 2 Bravo Echo November from Kilo Mike 6 Tango Whiskey India. Thanks for hunting. 7-3. What just happened? CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air. This is Kilo, Mike 6 Tango Whiskey India calling CQ, 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 CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air from Kilo, Mike 6 Tango Whiskey India.
Echo Niner, Alpha Charlie, Juliet.
Station ending Juliet.
Kilo Echo Niner, Alpha Charlie, Juliet.
Kilo Echo Niner, Alpha Charlie Juliet. You're 5x5 over.
Roger, Roger. You're 5-9 into Deerfield, Illinois. 5-9 into Deerfield, Illinois. This was MCOM Midwest. Thank you for the contact. 7-3.
Copy the 5-9 in Illinois. Thanks for hunting. And 7-3. Kilo Mike 6 Tango Whiskey India. Parks on the air. Park is activated. Got 11. CQ Parks on the air. CQ Parks on the air. This is Kilo Mike 6 Tango Whiskey India calling CQ, CQ, CQ. Parks on the air.
Kilo Fox 0, November Delta.
Sorry, Kilo Foxtrot 0, November Delta.
Yep, QSL, you're 5-9, Iowa.
Caught the 5-9 in Iowa, 5-9 both ways. Thanks for hunting, 7-3. Parks on the air, QRZ.
Alpha Charlie 5, Alpha 3, Mike Tango, Tango, QRZ.
That was an Alpha Charlie 5.
5-7, Louisiana.
Fox. Alpha Charlie 5 again.
Alpha Charlie 5, Oscar.
Alpha Charlie 5 Oscar got you that time. You're 5-9 over.
5-7, Louisiana,
7-3. Parks on the air, QRZ.
Alpha Charlie 3, Lima, 3, Mike Tango, Tango, QRP.
QRP station, go ahead.
Kilo Alpha 3, Mike Tango, Tango, QRP.
Mike Alpha. Was it Kilo Alpha 3 Mike Alpha Tango?
Mike Tango, Tango, Mexico, Tango, Tango, over.
QSL, Kilo Alpha 3 Mike Tango, Tango. I can hear you. You're about a 5x7 over. Doing good.
Okay, thank you very much. You're 5-9, 59 in Kentucky, Kilo Yankee, over.
Copy the 5-9 in Kentucky. Thanks for hunting. And 7-3. Kilo Mike 6 Tango Whiskey India. Parks on the air, QRZ. Lima, Lima.
Alpha Bravo 8, Lima, Lima.
Alpha Bravo 8, Lima, Lima.
QSL, yeah, you're 5-9 in Michigan, Mike, India.
You're 5x9. Sounding good. Thanks for hunting. 7-3. Parks on the air, QRZ.
Kilo Delta 9, Victor Sierra Uniform. Zulu Uniform.
Kilo Delta 9 Victor Sierra Uniform.
QSL, you're 5-9 plus in Indiana.
Yeah, you're 20 over 9. Thanks for picking me up. 7-3. QRZ. Zulu Uniform. Station ending Zulu Uniform.
Whiskey Bravo 3, India Zulu Uniform.
Okay, got you that time. Whiskey Bravo 3, India Zulu Uniform. You're 5-9.
QSL 5-9, Alan. You're 5-9 into Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Papa Alpha.
Got the 5-9 in Pittsburgh. Thanks for hunting. 7-3. Kilo Mike 6 Tango Whiskey India. Parks on the air, QRZ. Station starting November 3. November 3, Foxtrot Mike Charlie. Got you. 5-9.
Thank you,
73. Parks on the air, QRZ.
Delta Alpha Whiskey, Quebec.
Kilowatt Whiskey, Quebec.
Alpha Tango.
Kilowatt Whiskey, Quebec.
Yeah, it's K4TWQ, and I need your call, please.
Kilowatt Whiskey, Quebec. I got Kilo 4 Whiskey, Quebec.
Yeah, it's kilowatt 4, kilowatt whiskey, Quebec, K4KWQ.
Kilowatt, shit.
And the name is Tim in Michigan.
Okay, Kilo 4 Kilo Whiskey, Quebec. Got you that time, Timothy in Michigan. My call is Kilo Mike 6 Tango Whiskey India.
Yeah, okay, real good on the Whiskey India. Yeah, sounds like California.
Yeah, I'm the Californian playing POTA in Indiana. That's me.
Okay, you're a transplant then, right?
Yep, I'm a California refugee. I'm going camping out here at Indiana Dunes State Park. Went on a little hike, did another POTA out there, just out of a backpack, and now I'm about to get a campfire going and start to relax for the night. Over.
Yeah, okay, well, I just thought I'd show it in. Doing a little demonstration here right now, actually, and just showing my girlfriend the radio here, and say hello to Barbara.
What's up, Barbara?
Hey, say hello. Oh, she says hello in the background. There you go.
All right, well, I'm waving hello to you both down here in Indiana. Thanks for picking me up. I hope you guys have a great weekend in 7-3.
Okay, 7-3. Thanks for the contact. K4KWQ.
You're welcome. Kilo Mike 6, Tango Whiskey India. Parks on the air, QRZ.
Whiskey Alpha 2, Sierra Lima Hotel. Whiskey X-ray number 4, Delta Alpha Tango.
Okay, I got a Whiskey Alpha 2, Sierra Lima Hotel.
QSL, Whiskey Alpha 2, Sierra Lima Hotel. You are 5-8 Southern Indiana, QSL.
QSL to 5-8 in Southern Indiana. You are 20 over 9. Good, strong signal.
QSL, you might be right down the block.
I got a 40-meter Envis dipole. It's just a speaker wire dipole about maybe 15 feet up into the air. It works really good. I'm having a lot of fun with this.
QSL, we're right across the Ohio from Louisville. 73s and have fun.
Fine business. Thank you so much. 7-3 says Kilo Mike 6, Tango Whiskey India. Parks on the air. Hotel uniform something? Hotel uniform something?
Kilo Bravo 9, Hotel Uniform Oscar.
Okay, Kilo Bravo 9, Hotel Uniform Oscar. You're 5x9, over.
Roger, roger. You're 5-9 Southern Indiana. 73 is good luck on the activation.
73, have a great weekend. Kilo Mike 6, Tango Whiskey India. Parks on the air, QRZ.
Alpha 8 Tango Julie Alpha Charlie 3 Lima X-ray. Alpha Sugar Hotel.
Big pilot. I heard an Alpha 8 Tango something?
Alpha 8 Tango Juliet.
Okay, Alpha 8 Tango Juliet. I got you 5-9 into the park, over.
Thank you, Alan. Have you 5-9 into Tennessee, Tango November, QSL.
QSL to 5-9 in Tennessee. Hope you're having a great weekend. Spending some time outside. 7-3. Kilo Mike 6, Tango Whiskey India. Parks on the air.
Echo 9 Alpha Sugar Hotel.
Sugar something hotel. Kilo Echo 9 something Sugar Hotel.
Kilo Echo 9 Alpha Sugar Hotel.
Okay, I got you that time. Kilo Echo 9 Alpha Sierra Hotel. You're 5-9.
Thanks for the 5x9, and you're a 5x9 as well in Whiskey India.
Copy 5-9 both ways in Whiskey India. Waving hello down here in Indiana. 7-3. Have a great evening.
Activating 73. 4WY. Alpha Charlie 3 Lima X-ray.
That was a Kilo 4 Whiskey India.
Alpha Charlie 3 Lima X-ray.
It's tuning up on frequency.
4WY.
Kilo 4 Whiskey India.
KY4WY, Middle Tennessee, motorhome at rest, 100 watts into the hamstick. I've got you at 5-7.
Copy the 5-7. I just want to double check your call. Is it Kilo 4 Whiskey India?
No, it's Kilo Yankee 4, Whiskey Yankee. Kilo Yankee 4, Whiskey Yankee.
Kilo Whiskey 4 Whiskey Yankee. Thank you so much. You're 5-9.
Kilo Yankee 4, Whiskey Yankee. Kilo Yankee 4, Whiskey Yankee. 7-3, have a great evening.
Okay, got it. Thanks for the corrections. Kilo Yankee 4 Whiskey Yankee. 7-3. QRZ. Mike.
This is Whiskey 9, Echo Mike.
Whiskey 9, Echo Mike. 5-9.
Roger, you're 5-9, Northern Illinois.
Copy to 5-9 in Northern Illinois. Thanks for hunting 7-3. Parks on the air. QRZ. Station ending Tango. Is there a Whiskey 3? Whiskey 3, Charlie Whiskey something? Got it. Whiskey 3, Charlie Whiskey Tango. You are 4-1. 4-1, over. You're welcome. Copy to 5-7 in Pennsylvania, 7-3, Kilo Mike 6, Tango Whiskey, India. Parks on the air, QRZ. Hotel Uniform Golf. Okay, November 3, Hotel Uniform Golf, you're 5-9. Thank you so much, 7-3, Parks on the air, QRZ. Okay, Kilo 3 Tango.
Kilo 3, Kilo Lima Bravo.
Kilo 3, Kilo Lima Bravo. Kilo 3, Kilo Lima Bravo, got you, 5-9.
Roger, roger, you're 5-9, Pennsylvania. Thanks for the park, 7-3.
You're welcome, 7-3, Parks on the air, QRZ.
Victor, November 2, Charlie, Golf.
Okay, there's a November 2 in there?
November 2, Charlie, Golf.
Wait, November 2, Charlie Golf, 5-9.
Roger, roger, 5-9-10 over into Belleville, Michigan.
Rock and roll, have a great evening, 7-3, Parks on the air, QRZ. QRZ? Victor Echo 3. Canada. Victor Echo 3?
Victor Echo 3, Charlie, Juliet Papa.
Okay, Victor Echo 3, Charlie, Juliet Papa, 5-9.
Yeah, QSL, you're 5-9 here in Markham, Ontario, just north of Toronto. Name is James.
Thanks for picking me up, James. I'm waving hello down here in Indiana, next to Lake Michigan, going camping.
Good for you, good for you. Okay, 73, thanks for the park, thanks for the activation.
You're welcome, 7-3, Kilo Mike 6, Tango Whiskey, India, Parks on the air. Wait, I heard a Kilo Charlie 9?
Kilo Charlie 9er Alpha Yankee Tango.
Kilo Charlie 9er Alpha Yankee Tango, got you, 5-9.
I copy 5-9. Please copy 5-9, Indiana.
Thanks so much for Indiana. I'm waving hello up the street at Indiana Dunes. Thanks for picking me up at 7-3.
73.
Alpha Juliet 4? Radio Mike. Alpha Juliet 4, Radio Mike. Copy the 5-5 in Alabama. You're 5-7 into the park in Indiana. You're welcome. 7-3. Kilo Mike 6. Tango Whiskey India. Parks on the air. Is it Kilo Charlie 3 Oscar something? Kilo Charlie 3 Oscar Papa. Got you that time. 5-7. Thanks for the 5-9 in Delaware. Hope you're having a great weekend. And 7-3. Kilo Mike 6. Tango Whiskey India. Parks on the air. Okay, Kilo November 4. Kilo November 4. Kilo November 4 Delta Yankee 5x8. Copy the 5-7 in Georgia. Thanks for hunting in 7-3. Parks on the air. QRZ. Kilo Charlie 8.
Kilo Charlie 8, Juliet Papa Charlie.
Kilo Charlie 8, Juliet Papa Charlie. Got you 5-9.
QSL, I got you 5-9 in the West Virginia. Thanks for the contact.
You're welcome. 7-3. Parks on the air.
Kilo Oscar 4, Victor Juliet November 0.
Kilo Oscar 4, Victor Juliet November. You're 5-9.
Roger, roger. You are 5-9 also into Tennessee.
Copy the 5-9 both ways in Tennessee. Waving hello up here in Indiana. 73.
73.
QRZ. Okay, Kilo Foxtrot 0 Oscar Golf Golf. Copy to 5-7 in Colorado. 5x7 both ways. Thank you so much. 7-3. Parks on the air. QRZ.
Kilo 0 Oscar Echo.
Kilo 0 Oscar Echo.
5-9 Minnesota.
Copy to 5-9 in Minnesota, 5-9 both ways, 7-3.
Thanks for the activation, 7-3.
You're welcome. Parks on the air. Kilo Mike 6, Tango Whiskey India, parks on the air.
November 9 or X-Ray Charlie.
November 9, X-Ray Charlie, 5-9.
Roger, roger. You got a 5-9 on you here in Tango, November.
Thank you so much, and 7-3, parks on the air, QRZ.
Whiskey Alpha 7, Alpha Foxtrot, Victor.
Whiskey Alpha 7.
Whiskey Alpha 7, Alpha Foxtrot, Victor.
Okay, Whiskey Alpha 7, Alpha Foxtrot, Victor. I got you 5x8.
You were 5x8, you were 5-9 in the Minnesota Mike.
Copy the 5-9 in Minnesota. Thanks for hunting, 7-3. QRZ.
Victor Echo 3, Echo Foxtrot, India.
Victor Echo 3, Echo Foxtrot, India, 5-9, into the park.
I got you at 5-7 here into Ontario, Canada.
Copy the 5-7 in Ontario, Canada. Hope you're having a great weekend, and 7-3.
You too, 7-3. Enjoy your 7-3.
Kilo Mike 6, Tango Whiskey India, CQ POTA from US 0765 and US 2258, QRZ. Where'd the pileup go? I got 41. CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air. This is Kilo Mike 6, Tango Whiskey India, calling CQ, CQ, CQ. Parks on the air. Kilo Mike 6, Tango Whiskey India, parks on the air. Okay, that might be it.
Whiskey 4, November Charlie Lima.
Whiskey 4, November Charlie Lima, 5-9.
You are a 5-8 in the North Carolina.
Copy the 5-8 in North Carolina.
Thanks for that, reserve 73.
You're welcome. Hope you're having a great weekend. 7-3, Kilo Mike 6, Tango Whiskey India, parks on the air.
Whiskey 5, India, Echo Delta.
Oh, there it is again. Whiskey 5?
Whiskey 5, India, Echo Delta, QSL.
QSL, the Whiskey 5, India, Echo Delta.
Roger, you are 5-9 in Arkansas, sir.
5-9 both ways, 7-3.
7-3.
QRZ. Tango Hotel Romeo.
Yeah, VE3THR, 5 and 9, Ontario.
Victor Echo 3, Tango Hotel Romeo.
Correct.
I remembered. You're 5-9. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Alan.
7-3. And Kilo Mike 6, Tango Whiskey India, parks on the air.
Kilo Quebec 4, Hotel X-Ray Sierra.
Kilo Quebec 4.
Kilo Quebec 4, Hotel X-Ray Sierra. I have you 5-5 in South Carolina.
All right, Roger, Kilo Quebec 4, Hotel X-Ray Sierra. Thanks for picking me up. You're 5-9 into the park.
Roger, roger. Have a good activation. 73.
Thanks for hunting. 7-3, Kilo Mike 6, Tango Whiskey India, parks on the air. Kilo 4. Kilo 4 something?
Kilo 4, Romeo Hotel Echo.
Kilo 4, Romeo Hotel Echo. Got you that time. 5 and 8, 5 and 8.
QSL, you are 5-7, 57 in Eastern Kentucky.
At the 5-7 in Kentucky. Thanks for hunting. 7-3. Parks on the air. QRZ.
3. Victor Echo 3, November Delta 1 Mike.
That's Victor Echo 3. Our friends in Canada. Victor Echo 3.
Victor Echo 3, Victor, Whiskey, Bravo.
Victor Echo 3. Victor Whiskey Bravo. Got you. 5-9.
You're 5-9, Alan. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. 7-3. Kilo Mike 6, Tango Whiskey India, parks on the air.
Kilo, Quebec 4, Echo, Lima uniform.
Station ending uniform.
Kilo, Quebec 4, Echo, Lima uniform. You're a 5-7, 57 here in North Central Kentucky.
Okay, got you. Kilo Quebec 4, Echo Lima uniform. You're 5-9 into Indiana.
QSL, good luck on your activation.
Thank you so much. 7-3. Parks on the air. QRZ.
Kilo 8, November, Victor, by Charlie, Juliet,
Kilo 8 November.
Kilo 8,
Kilo 8, November, India, Victor, 59 plus, over.
Roger, hope I'm meeting you as hard as you are me either. I got you almost 20 over in West Virginia.
Awesome, thanks for that report. Hope you're having a great weekend. Got to spend some time outside. It's Kilo Mike 6, Tango Whiskey India, Parks on the Air, QRZ.
November 5,
Juliet, Zulu.
That was a November 5.
November 5, Quebec, Mike, Foxtrot, QSL.
QSL, the November 5, Quebec, Mike, Foxtrot. You're 5 and 9.
QSL, you're 5757, Lima Alpha. QSL.
Copy the 5-7 in Louisiana. Thanks for hunting, 7-3. Parks on the Air, QRZ.
November Delta 1, Mike 3, Charlie, Juliet, Zulu.
November something, Mike.
November Delta 1, Mexico.
November Delta 1, Mexico. Got you, 5 by 7.
Yeah, you 57 here in Connecticut. Thank you so much for the distribution.
You're welcome. Thanks for being out there. 7-3. Kilo Mike 6, Tango Whiskey India, Parks on the Air. I heard of Victor Alpha 3, Charlie, Juliet, Zulu.
QSL, Victor Alpha 3, Charlie, Juliet, Zulu. You are 57, Oscar, November.
Copy the 5-7 in Ontario, Canada. You are 5 and 9 into Indiana.
QSL, thank you very much.
You're welcome. 7-3. Kilo Mike 6, Tango Whiskey India for Parks on the Air.
Kilo 1, Quebec Radio.
Quebec Radio. Kilo 1, Quebec Radio, 5-9 plus.
QSL, you're also 5 and 9 in South Carolina. Name is Ron, and thank you for the activation.
Thanks for hunting, Ron. You're also 5 by 9, and hope you had a great weekend. And 7-3, Kilo Mike 6, Tango Whiskey India for Parks on the Air. Kilo, oh. I didn't get any of that. QRZ. Kilo 4 Alpha Golf Alpha. Was that a Kilo 4 Alpha Golf Alpha?
That is correct. Kilo 4, Alpha Golf Alpha. I've got you the 5-7 here in coastal Georgia. 5-7 in coastal Georgia. Thank you for activating.
Copy the 5-7 in Georgia. You are 5 by 9 Indiana. Thank you for hunting. 7-3. Kilo Mike 6, Tango Whiskey India, Parks on the Air, QRZ. Station ending Victor.
Kilo Foxtrot 0, Romeo, November, Victor.
Kilo Foxtrot 0, Romeo November Victor. Got you 5-7.
Roger, Roger, 5-9. It's to the Ozarks Mountains of Missouri. Thank you. Have a good one.
Thank you for the 5-9 in Missouri, and 7-3. Parks on the Air, QRZ. Was it Kilo 0?
Kilo 0, Bravo, Uniform Foxtrot. You're a 5-9 in the southeast Pennsylvania, QSL.
QSL the 5-9 in Pennsylvania from Kilo 0, Bravo, Uniform Foxtrot. Thank you so much, and 7-3.
QSL, yeah, I didn't know Indiana had to. 7-3, have a great activation.
Parks on the Air, QRZ. Was there a park to park? Huh? What was the call? Okay, I'm not hearing Kilo. So I got a Kilo something 5. Like Kilo Mike 4 Tango? Golf Tango. Wait, Kilo Mike 4 Golf Tango. I didn't hear that. I got a Kilo Mike 4 Golf Tango. I don't know where he went. I thought he was a park to park. Kilo Mike 4 Golf Tango, come back. 4 Germany Tango. Kilo Mike 4 Germany Tango. Try again in a couple of minutes. Thank you so much for trying. This is Kilo Mike 6 Tango Whiskey India. Parks on the air.
November 3, Mike Kilo.
November 3 Mike Kilo 59.
QSL 59 Virginia.
Copy the 59 in Virginia. You're 59 Indiana. Thanks for hunting. 7-3. Parks on the air. QRZ. Whiskey 0 something something hotel. Okay. Whiskey 0 Sierra Zulu Hotel. Got you 59. Thanks for Kansas. 7-3. Parks on the air. QRZ. Yankee, Quebec, Yankee. Kilo 3 Yankee, Quebec, Yankee. Roger, you're 59. Thanks for North Carolina. And 7-3. Kilo Mike 6 Tango Whiskey India. Parks on the air. QRZ. 59 so far. Kind of want to get to 100. But the noise floor is really high here for some reason. I don't know why. The antenna's not set up the best it could be. It's kind of a tight parking spot. And I'm trying not to bug the other campers with my wires and my staticky radios. Kilo Mike 6 Tango Whiskey India. CQ Parks on the air. CQ Parks on the air listening. Gonna wrap this up. Is there an Echo Bravo something? Alright. Let's get a few more and then let's call last call. I'm at 59. The last time I did this I got 63, so I at least gotta beat that. Kilo Mike 6 Tango Whiskey India calling CQ POTA. CQ POTA, CQ POTA from Indiana Dunes National Park and State Park. KM6 TWI. QRZ. Kilo Bravo 1 Tango Oscar Yankee, you're 5-5. Got the 5-5 in Massachusetts. Thanks for hunting in 73. Kilo Mike 6 Tango Whiskey India. Parks on the air.
November 8, Kilo Papa Romeo.
November 8 Kilo Papa Romeo. 59 plus. 73. Kilo Mike 6 Tango Whiskey India. Parks on the air. Kilo Bravo 1 Uniform. 59. Kilo Bravo 1 Uniform. Thanks for the 59. You're also 59 from November Hotel. Waving hello over here in Indiana. 7-3. Parks on the air. We got 62. CQ Parks on the air. Kilo Mike 6 Tango Whiskey India. CQ POTA. CQ POTA, CQ POTA. This is Kilo Mike 6 Tango Whiskey India calling CQ, CQ, CQ. Kilo India 5 something something Quebec.
Oscar X-ray Quebec. Oscar X-ray Quebec.
Right, Kilo India 5 Oscar X-ray Quebec. Got you that time. 5-9.
QSL, you're 5-9 here. Alpha Romeo.
Not the 5-9 and Alpha Romeo. Thanks for picking me up. 73. Parks on the air. QRZ. Yeah, it's 63 again. Okay. I wanted to get to 100. I also kind of want to start this campfire. CQ Parks on the air. CQ Parks on the air. This is Kilo Mike 6 Tango Whiskey India calling CQ POTA.
Kilo Alpha 2 Golf Victor Yankee.
Golf Victor Yankee. Kilo Alpha 2 Golf Victor Yankee.
Roger, roger.
You're a 5 and 8.
Hey, thank you. You're a 5-7. 57 into Western New York, over.
Got the 5-7 in New York. Thanks for hunting. 73. Kilo Mike 6 Tango Whiskey India. Parks on the air. Pile up slowing down, so I do want to get to 100 QSOs in an activation. Not tonight, they will have another night. The pile up slowing down, so probably gonna wrap this up. Kilo Mike 6, Tango Whiskey India, CQ POTA. Alright, I'm going to wrap this up. This is Kilo Mike 6, Tango Whiskey India from Indiana Dunes National Park and State Park. Last call. Last call for parks on the air. Any station, please come now. Sometimes I'll start another pilot. Last call, parks on the air. This is the last call. Last call, parks on the air. All right.
Kilo Echo Niner, Alpha Charlie Juliet.
Kilo Echo Niner something Juliet.
Kilo Echo Niner, Alpha Charlie Juliet. Yeah, I just jumped in on the pile-up earlier. I didn't want to take up too much of your time, but thanks for the activation. I'm not sure if you got my last transmission there, but this was MCOM Midwest on Instagram.
Oh, what's up, man? You know, I just saw the dupe just came up in my log. Hey, dude. So are you in Chicago? Midwest
No, sir. I'm a little bit north of Chicago, about 20 miles north in Deerfield, Illinois.
Okay, very good, very good. I was just looking at the Chicago skyline from the beach over at Indiana Dunes State Park. That view just hits you like a ton of bricks, man. It's really cool. I like this place.
Yes, sir. I don't get out much to Chicago, but it is a beautiful town, and you know, it's not really that too bad. People say it's pretty bad on the news, but if you go down there, if you go to the right spot, it's not too bad. But thanks for the activation. I did send you an EQSL via QRZ. Just sort of accept that whenever you got time. We gratefully appreciate it. I want to say thanks for the activation today.
Yeah, you're welcome. Thanks for hitting me up and letting me know that you're the MSCOM Midwest guy on Instagram. Appreciate that. Great catching you on the air. And hey, thanks for watching all of my videos on YouTube, man. Really appreciate that.
My pleasure. Thanks for the effort you put into it. It definitely helps get more people into this hobby, because you definitely need more people.
Oh yeah, man, that's half the fun. Just, hey, look at me having fun playing ham radio on YouTube. You could do it too, and I don't know, just kind of adventure videos, just, you know, tagging along, not really how-to or gear reviews, just, I don't know, whatever I'm doing outside, hiking around, talking on radio, doing stuff, playing with wires and antennas. It's just a lot of fun, and I love to share those kinds of adventures with people.
Well, I got to join you, definitely, and I definitely got to get out there on some POTA activations. I haven't done one yet, so sometime soon here, definitely sometime soon. Maybe I'll see you out in Indiana sometime. I'll make a little trip out of it, but yeah, I don't want to take up too much of your time here. If you want to get on FT8 or do something else, I'm going to be saying Roger 73. Thanks for the QSO. Kilo Echo Niner, Alpha Charlie Juliet.
Very good, very good. Thanks so much for the rag chew there. Kilo Echo 9, Alpha Charlie Juliet from Kilo Mike 6, Tango Whiskey India. I'm going to wrap this up. One more call for Parks on the Air. Any station wanting to make a POTA contact, please come now.
Kilo Echo 8,
Quebec. Now that Kilo Echo 8, Quebec uniform. Kilo Echo 8, come back.
Kilo Echo 8, Quebec, Lima, Golf.
Kilo Echo 8, Quebec, Lima, Golf. Got you, 5-9.
QSL, you're 20 over into Holland, Michigan. Thank you so much, and 73.
You're welcome, 7-3. Last call, Parks on the Air.
Kilo 3, Bravo, Oscar Lima.
Kilo 3, Bravo, Oscar Lima. Go ahead.
QSL, I have you a 5-5 in the southeast Missouri. 5-5 into my doctor.
Okay, got the 5-5 in Missouri. You're 5-9, Indiana. Over.
Thank you for the activation, 73.
73. Last call, Parks on the Air. Okay. I do it 3 times. Last call, Parks on the Air.
Victor Alpha 3,
Victor Alpha 3, Quebec, Victoria.
USL, you are 58 Ontario.
Copy the 5 and 8 in Ontario. You're 5-9, Indiana.
Roger, thank you for Indiana, 7-3, have fun.
7-3, last call, parks on the air. 1. Last call, parks on the air. 2. Last call, parks on the air. Nothing heard. Thank you, hunters. Thank you, hunters. This is Kilo Mike 6, Tango Whiskey India, going QRT, QRT, QRT. Good night. Woohoo! I got 67.
Thanks for joining me on another Punk Rock Ham Radio adventure. This is Alan, KM6TWI. Thanks for watching and 7-3.